Hi there, this is Austin Tran, head band director at Seabrook Intermediate. Today we're going to be playing the Region 17 audition music, set C for trombone. I'm going to be playing number 2, which is the technical etude. Let's go ahead and take a look at some things before we play. We're in the key of A flat, 4 flats. D flat is the key note here. It's 5th position. Make sure you get with the tuner and lock in that 5th position D flat. Make sure it's in tune, and also that your arm is consistently in the same spot every time you hit that 5th position. One of the worst notes for young trombonists. Another thing is to keep in mind that the style in here is not disconnected or short. It really should be long, connected, but firmly tongue. So I tend to catch myself playing really short. Make sure you're playing everything nice and connected. There are no staccatos in here, but there are some legato 2-note slurs. You're going to have to be able to use really smooth legato tongue or determine whether you can use natural slur. Going back to that D flat, measure 6, you have D flat, C, B flat. I would go to 1st position trigger C if you have a trigger trombone. If you don't, not a big deal, but you will have to move that slide really fast between 1st and 6th. It's going to make it a little difficult for you. Going on, if you look at measures 17, 19, and 21, we have 16th notes right there. Those 16ths need to be articulated consistently and firmly, and the beginning of those measures have 2-note slur. So 17, you could do natural slur. 19 and 21, you're going to need to make sure you do really smooth legato tongue to mimic that. So the key in those 3 measures is making them sound exactly the same, consistent. And then at 25 to the end, it's a repeat of the first section. Just make sure you have lots of air and you connect everything. Okay. I'm going to be playing this at dotted quarter note equals 54. If you hear that big click and the 2 small clicks that follow, those all represent 8th notes. So if I put it back on the dotted quarter, which in this, on my metronome, it looks like quarter note equals 54. In 3/8, it would sound like this. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So I'm going to put the triplet on, and that's going to represent the 8th note. Okay? All right, good luck with your practice.